Inhliziyo yami cishe yama. Inhliziyo yami cishe yama. Hawu. Ebona bafethu into ehlezi isho ucoach wathi nyoze niyibone. Yabona lento le ukuthi masifike epanini singawakora amagoli. Ha. Yo. Inhliziyo yami cishe yama.
Uyabona mfethu lama teams oyi2 ahleli phezulu kwi-Betway Premiership log. Imamelodi Sundowns neOrlando Pirates. Lawo ma teams lawo ano coach abahlakaniphile. You understand? Ano coach abasemigangathweni ophezulu. You understand? Yabona oyedwa wabo mangasanga iwin i-Betway Premiership. Oyedwa wabo mangasanga iwin i-Betway Premiership 25-2026 season. Kuyobe abadlali abayihlinzele bona eyibini. Ufuna ukungibuza ukuthi kungani ngisho njalo na? This is why. Mfethu uyabona ocoach indlela abaqala ngakhona ama starting 11s wabo ave mfethu befaka abadlali abahlakaniphile ave befaka abadlali abangakwinela any games on any given day. You understand? Ebese bona abadlali beyiphoxela bona ke thina. Understand? Yabona mfethu you can't miss so much chances. You can't tell me mfethu ukuthi goalkeeper uSipho Cheni ungiphoxela ngifunqamanga. He is my best goalkeeper currently eMzansi. He's my best goalkeeper. Mhlawumbe uma uthi ungangibona uyazi naye. Mfethu we are leading 2-1. Noma we are leading 1-0. I-corner kick, i-free kick. Bonke abadlali be-opposition side bala bazo-ina bafuna equalizing goal. Ubambe ibhola uyalala phansi. Asina insurance goal. U2-1 noma 1-0. Bayakutshela usibisi ukuthi khathela ibhola phambili uMoremu lapha, uRele ulapha, uHotho nango. We have got the speed to counter attack these guys. When we lala phansi uchiza isandla uthi hayi no bayekeni. No. What if people want it only 2 but yeah equalizer kubo 2-2? Because we need those insurance goals. Understand? We need those goals. Even if we win go 7-1, go 10-0, it's fine. Let us win go 10-0. It's normal. It's league. At the end of the day, so you think a goal difference. This league is so difficult. This is so difficult, even though it is interesting for us as fans. But it is so difficult in such a way that if we get down to the wire where you need the goal difference. Where you need goal difference. Oh, ukuthi asikho isikhathi okumosha isikhathi when you are leading. No need to waste time when you are leading. Kora 7 makuvuma. Urele opened the scoring amajita ayeke amathuba amaningi osukwini. I wouldn't even count. Ayeke amathuba amaningi osukwini amajita. Understand? Ucoach wami unokwakrema amasapho sometimes. He's the best coach. Take nothing away from him. But ukeeper wakhe uMakgopa afaka uMbothuma there was no need. uMakgopa beyihlupha idefense ePulukwane. He was a nuisance. Ubeyiphela endlebeni kwi-defense ePulukwane uMakgopa. Urele scored a very beautiful goal, cool, calm, collected, taken, perfect header, back of the net. iPulukwane ya equalize because the Pirates bisiyeka amathuba. Credits must go to Ude Jong again. What a performance by uMlungu bafana wey. Khohlwani kuMlungu. And waphuma uMlungu wangena uTito Patrick Mashonganye. Embrace sithembisa ngomzuzu zokugcina cishe ngafa walibeke nethini. Orlando Pirates 2 Pulukwane City 1. Umdlalo Betway Premiership ubule Old Peter Mokaba Stadium, istadium esinukayo. Okay fine. Siyadlala la ekhaya. Yes, sidlala istadium esiphuphile la ekhaya esisangene esidakiwe. Esinukayo esinodaka. Ibhola can't even gingqika kahle. Kamakhelwane kuno green grass. Kuno perfect pitch. Kuno carpet. And we are allowed to go there. We are allowed. We can. Betway Premiership is the best league in Africa. We can't go there. We can't go there. Why can't we go there and play? Pulukwane kodwa they knew what they were doing. They took it game to Old Peter Mokaba Stadium enukayo. Inuka injalo Orlando Pirates was able to walk away with the whole 3 points. Yamadoda. Yenza mnandi Betway Premiership. Guys, ulapho wena.
Otto, you thought the game was done at 1-1. Pulukwane just equalized. Okay, it looks like the game might end like this. Pulukwane will defend and contain this draw which they got. Otto said not on my watch. Otto overlapped after kickoff. Hey Otto, son, this guys is gonna haunt me. Otto's gonna haunt me, straight. He overlapped after kickoff. They gave him a good ball. Played a beautiful cross into the box. Masonganye taps it in. Pirates lead the game 2-1. They win. Otto, guys, Otto's too much. When is he retiring? Otto, over 300 appearances in the Betway Premiership. Even first half, I saw they kicked his ankle. And I was like, no, Otto's done now. Ishan, that tackle does not look too good. Studs on his ankle. I just saw Otto shake it off and stand up. I was like, aye. Something must be done. We need to test this guy. Whatever this guy's on, we need to test him. But yeah, hey. Anyways, obviously, good game. Pirates missed so many chances. And you see, all those chances Pirates missed, imagine it was a Soweto derby. They would score all of them. All of those balls are hitting the back of the net. Makgopa's header, back of the net. Who else missed? Maswanganyi missed, back of the net. Muremi missed, back of the net. Did Apolis miss? I think Apolis also missed a chance. Back of the net. All of them. But now against Polokwane, Jiggy guys can't score. And also, I want to ask a question. Why is Pirates playing at the old Peter Mokaba? Hey, because that pitch, I know it was raining, but in general, that pitch, hey, it's not make sure. Pirates should be playing at the new Peter Mokaba. They're log leaders, so they must be playing on the best pitch. But yeah, anyways, good game of football. Emaroto, hey, enough. We've felt your presence, bruh. Enough now, hey. Oh, hang up your boots, please.
Awumeke ndivonele iKaizer Polokwane City aba bathi sibambe iumbrella thina sibambele iSundowns kunuva bathini ngo ayiwanda khona ingoma yakudala isithi ayiwanda bathini manje ngoba ngiyachisa hello sisi ngicela ukubuza office eKaizer Chiefs ezo. Oh okay, good enkosi ke sisi. Yes, uthetha noTumelo Drom. Hey, speak person sabalandeli beOrlando Pirates, the president abalandeli bebhola Africa yonke jikelele, every Africa. Shapa bakanye shapa. Yo, asidikiwe happiness, thina sayithini le happiness. Ongo. Sorry sis. No sis ndiyazi babe singadlali nani cha benzocheckisha nje uba inoba nithini ngoku because nidla ngothi iSundowns ibambele thina, in fact thina sibambele iSundowns iumbrella, so nifuna ucheckisha uba nithini ngoku because oko iSundowns iyadlala lonto ayenzi mehluko. Yo sorry no sis iSundowns zi-deputy zethu ingase niyamkele lonto. iSundowns I think seyiyamkele yona lonto leyo. Ishota nini uba niyamkele. Phofu ke we don't mind i-opinion yenu because nina ngoku nisendleleni ebheka ehlayo ebheka ku number 9. Nizibonile uba after as games niku number 6 niyibonile lonto. Usekhona udropile. We are very excited.
Alright, iOrlando Pirates isivele yavulela induku lapha ePolokwane kubulawa iPolokwane City. Ibingekhenza njani? Bekufanele babulawe labantu ngenduku bagijimisa ileague phela labantu. Now there was a tactical shift lapha phambili by uAbdeslam Owadu. Urele uyasuka ku10 uya kwa left. uDeyong uyasuka ku9 uya ku10. Personally I think that's his best position, and then uMakgopa udlala u9, and I think he was trying a new combination between uMakgopa and Deyong, and I think ibizosebenza le combination because uDeyong had a much better game than his other previous games for the Pirates. The problem that by uMakgopa would occasionally drop way too deep, leaving uDeyong eyedwa ahluleke ukucombine naye. Kanti the main purpose of a number 9 is to remain in the box so that a 10 nama left wing nama right wings can combine with him and create more opportunities. But uMakgopa would drop deep, collect the ball from the middle of the park, congesting the midfield because it's already congested. Mfukeng drops, inverts inside, Apolis inverts inside. There's already uDeyong playing as a 10, and naye ufuna drop with the same spaces which congest the midfield. But otherwise, great game by Pirates. They were patient and they were able to do the job. uMakgopa should have been clinical. The first half should have punished. Utito should have punished. The opportunity as soon as he got in, but he was able to make amends with that goal that he scored. Relebogile Mofokeng scores yet again ngekhanda, second goal yakhe ngekhanda this season. Kugijimisa ileague, Pirates isahleli phezulu eligini, 44 points, 1 goal.
Mapapa see Orlando Pirates idinga striker. kubi lapha kwa-striking department bafethu kunzima. I-team yethu iya-waste amathuba. Today we had 22 goal attempts, 14 shots on target, and we only scored 2 goals. That's not right. Hawungohamba wonke umhlaba ayikho right leyo nto bafethu. Akukwazi ukuthi ngabani. Yazi Pirates idingani? Idinga istriker esishanga le height yamahopa kodwa esikorayo. Umuntu nje uphoxa amanqaku nje waya strike esimbi esimnyama shanga amehla bufu yabo lezi strike engadingi ukuthi umuntu azame kahle ukuze ashuthe cha nje udouble net mfethu sidinga umuntu kanjalo mfethu yabo lezi strike abafethe njengo Nukovic samphumbula uNukovic weChiefs into kanjalo sabugabhadi nomhango mfethu umuntu nje mfethu ohleze evutha ngoba manje ngeke bafethu yazi inkinga le. Okay, inkinga aside, 3 points, we move. Siyabonga bafethu ukuthi iThePolokwane City isi equalizer sangaphela amandla yabo. Lento ukuthi mase koliwe sesiyaqala sesilahle ithemba sesifungathi abadlali bafuna ukukhala. Hayi. Madoda, it's not over until the fat lady sings nje mfethu attack. Sibonge nje ngendlela right umfukenge ukhombisile ukuba i-play of the month. Utito usefana nobaba nomalume nomngani nobhuti kumina angazi ngeyini ngaphandle kwaTito 6 goals kodwa namanje kusakhona abantu abaphilela ukumcriticize lokho enashawa ama-chest pains webantu abahate lutito Tiyangi impethu ngathi usayithola isystem yabo ukuthi kuyasheshwa kwiPirates yabo kuyasheshwa yonke into iyashesha yabo ukuthi ushaya ukuthi uyashiblika mfethu uyawa benotito bahlanga inkinga eyodwa ukuthi uTito yena ujwayele ukuthi awini ifoul futhi uTito skillful ke wesike ipitch namhlanje ibingasifavor at all abe kunzima kodwa siyabonga nje ngo3 points bafowethu sophinde sizame futhi next time abalekile mfethu ukuthi uwine manje ukuthi uwine kanjani uyoxoxa dressing room mfethu up the parks.
Yabona indlela edlale ngayo Orlando Pirates kule game angiyiboni ithatha league angiyiboni win league cause kwalo 3 points igolini lesibili Orlando Pirates iphiwe la igoli Polokwane City ibine job eyodwa be-millions after equalizile ukuthi ipaka ibhasi angazi ukuthi ibizama ukwenzani udlala nePirates ni team ezokuhlasela engakora noma yini uscoreile why uvula igap emuva Polokwane City usahlasela iPirates wenzani yes udlala home kodwa phela udlala nePirates la lo 1 point ubaluleke kakhulu Orlando Pirates yathola icounter kwanwetshwa ibhola lasiwa kuHoto labuyiswa ngaphakathi athola uTito yedwa benza ibhola wetching bamakene baze baba u3 wanamathisela ibhola but after ngibona iperformance Orlando Pirates ifidlala away kulama ground angekho makhulu amancane ayiniki ithemba ukuthi ngayiwina league and ngiyabona isaziba drop ama points if izodlala away kodwa woze Orlando uzokhomba umzono ntwala woze FNB uzothola uzokhomba umzono ntwala izokugqilaza izokushiza ukuhlaphaza performance yabo bafowethu iba mayidlala home Pirates iperforma ngalendlela from ama defenders wama midfield but away from home performance yabo ayibi yinhle ngalo ndlela because iground sokungekho lihle kusuke kunotshani la namuhla utshani bakhona buqhudekile kunobudaka phansi so ema ground njalo iPirates ayidlale ibhola elicokeme neliconvinceayo so if izodlala away from home ngathi saziwa drop ama points.
Okay bafethu iphelela la video namhlanje wena nje mfethu into engifuna ukisho ukuthi istriker mfethu siyasidinga and lento mfethu I don't know how many times I've said this mfethu because abantu they were crying for uMakgopa and I was like sure vele uMakgopa samdinga vele teamini but asikwazi ukuthi simkhalele ngathi uMakgopa mfethu is this striker lo ukora 10 goals or 15 goals a season because ever since uMakgopa afika ku-PSL akakazi ashama goal more than 10 or 15 goals a season. So again akuyona lento ngicabanga ukuthi uMakgopa iyona. That's just how I feel ukuthi uMakgopa is a good striker but he's not the best striker we can have. He's not the best striker we can have because uMakgopa nomuthi mfethu mina game mfethu is the same thing bayafana mfethu ibhola liyafana mina mfethu kumina awukho umehluko between uMakgopa noMbuthuma. And manje I feel like it's time ukuthi ubani uRadopane anikezwe ithuba because uMbuthuma unikeziwe ichance, uMakgopa unikeziwe ichance, uMabasa unikezwe ichance under Rivero, uLipasa unikezwe ichance under Rivero, ama-strike ePirates wonke lawo. Umuntu ithuba angakaze anikezwe or ongakalitholi uRadopane because isizini mayiqala udlale boma 3 or 4 games and wadrop kwadlala uMbuthuma. But why yena enganikezwa ithuba? Because we know uRadopane from DDC ukuthi he can score goals umnandi. It's just that ku-first team akanikezwa ithuba. And guys, please ningixolele for ukuthi ngiyangingiza. Yeah, forgive me for that. And coming into the game, I still don't understand why you guys criticize Tito. I want to people who don't like Tito, especially I'm a fans of Pirates. You guys confuse me and you guys stress me out. You guys stress. Nengaga engayithandi ngoTito. And you can't say ukuthi uTito uyalahle ball. Iliphi player engalahle ball. Iliphi player ehlezi iphume egroundini with 100% completed passes. Alikho. Ama-player bethi alahle ibhola mfethu. And into enze ngathi uTito mfethu ufuna ibhola lahle ukuthi uhlezi efuna ibhola libe kuyena. That's because akasabi muntu, ibhola akalisabi. He wants ukuthi ibhola libe kuyena and try new things and try be innovative and create ama-chance, bro. Because you can't create ama-chance udlala safe. You can't be safe number 10 and expect ukuthi uzokora amagoli uyassist, but you are playing safe. Every time uthola ibhola when you are opting for the safest option. You can't be a number 10 like that. So bafethu wonke umuntu ongahloniphi uTito. I think it's about high time you guys like make up your mind with inimiphi kahle kahle nePirates, because if you don't like Tito, you don't like Pirates. But uTito umnandi fethu ukuthi you guys can hate on Tito like this. And then befethu ngiyishilo ngegame edaba ukuthi if really ehamba uTito is our best number 10, so we can't keep putting uTito down as a fans of Pirates. We need him. And that's it for the video namhlanje before I crash out. This because angifuni ngoTito bafethu and yabona bafethu. So please bafethu wonke umuntu who subscribed nalo osazo subscribe. Thank you very much for doing lento leyo bafethu. Let's keep growing the channel and keep subscribing, commenting zonibona ngegame ezayo bafethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu, and let's keep watching ama ads bafethu ne. Ngiyabonga.